Hello, here is a fresh and interesting way to make money online. To make this work, you don't need to be a genius and no special abilities are needed. The same method I'm about to reveal in this particular video is used by thousands of people every single day to make real money online. The technique is perfect for new novices because it doesn't require selling, designing, creating videos, or creating any type of website. It's also completely free. I'll give a few special bonus advice at the end of the video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. Let's start with the video, and after that I'll take you step by step through everything. I'll start by going to YouTube and looking up fitness. There are several pictures there, like this one and this one. There is an image next to each video on YouTube that viewers can click to see the video. This is referred to as a thumbnail occasionally. You might be wondering how we can generate money using these YouTube images and how we don't require any technical knowledge. I'll show you everything in this video, so don't worry. Many people who are total newbies and have never made any money before have used this method to their advantage every single day to earn their first hundreds of dollars. All you need is a smartphone, and I'll teach you how to do it for nothing, so you don't need any prior knowledge. I want you to look around PicMaker.com first. PicMaker is a free piece of software that you may use on PCs and mobile devices everywhere in the world. The done-for-you templates are all available and allow you to quickly and easily create gorgeous YouTube photos with just one click. You may start making various YouTube images utilizing them. Look at these images right here. They are all beautifully rendered, breathtaking, and even more alluring than those on YouTube. If you were to sell each of these YouTube images for $10, $20, $30, or even $50 each, just think of the amount of money you could possibly make. Because everything is done for you when you use their template, you don't even require design expertise. I want to underline that there is absolutely no cost involved in getting started with this. You need not make any kind of financial commitment. I won't waste your time by going through the entire procedure with you. Find this link by scrolling all the way to the bottom of this page. By selecting the YouTube Thumbnail Maker link, which will take you to this page, you can begin creating a free YouTube thumbnail, commonly known as a free YouTube image. YouTube thumbnail for a video that create yours for free, link will take you to a page where you must register for a free account. Just enter your name, email address, and password to register. Your name ought to be here at the top once you log in. You may find a variety of themes and layouts, including Instagram thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, and YouTube banners. You may view this category here, YouTube thumbnail, and I want you to click it. You can view a training video on this page to learn how to use PicMaker for free after clicking this button. Since I'll walk you through everything in this tutorial, you won't need to watch that one, which might save you a lot of time. Giving this project a name is the first thing I want you to do on your dashboard. In this video, I'll take healthy diet as an example. I'll also demonstrate how to create additional images for the YouTube category for diet, health, and weight loss. I want you to click on this pre-built category once you're on this page. There, you can access a choice of already created templates that are available for usage. You can see all the templates you can use as I scroll down below. Using the template, you can quickly generate the whole YouTube image with only one click. You can choose from thousands and thousands of different stunning and expert templates, but for now, I'll just pick any one of these. Let's say that I enjoy this one. It will simply show up on my dashboard after I click on it. All I have to do is click it, and it will appear on my dashboard immediately. Check out this polished YouTube image. It is far better than this one in my opinion, and making it doesn't require any special technical or graphic design abilities. It can be shown there with only one click. Everything that is optional or necessary can now be started being edited and modified. For instance, I can modify the wording right now if I click on it. You can modify the content by altering the font type and size, for instance. By clicking on this, you may also alter the color of the text. Now that you've added one element to your YouTube image, you may add more by clicking on the properties, where you can also add other stickers, icons, and other items directly to the image. You may complete this on your cell phone, and everything is incredibly straightforward and intuitive. For instance, if I click on stickers, they will start to load, and I can choose anything I want by scrolling down below. It will show up in your thumbnail if you click on it. It can be moved around by dragging it. Additionally, you can alter its size. I can easily and quickly customize everything. From there, I can even choose any color I want to use to change the backdrop color. Once you're happy with everything, you can download this to your phone or computer and use it again to utilize PicMaker to quickly produce a variety of free YouTube thumbnails utilizing all of the templates that have already been created for you. As you may remember, there is a chance that each of these YouTube images may bring in $10, $20, or even $40 each. I'll show you step by step exactly how to turn these YouTube photos into real money in the second half of this video. PeoplePerHour.com is the second website I want to show you. People advertise numerous services for various projects on this website. PeoplePerHour.com offers a huge variety of services. The first thing I want you to do is to really input the term thumbnail, and then click the search button in order to locate the numerous services that individuals have listed on PeoplePerHour.com. You'll reach this page as a result of that. People from Lebanon, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, the United Kingdom, Sri Lanka, the United States, and the Philippines are among the numerous individuals that use PeoplePerHour.com to simply sell various YouTube images in order to generate actual income. Without any specialized design knowledge, you can build a variety of YouTube thumbnails and images using the free tool PicMaker, and they end up appearing even more professional than what you see on YouTube. You may make a significant sum of money by simply posting all of these photographs, uploading them, and charging for them on PeoplePerHour.com. You can see the title, Create Great YouTube Thumbnails to get more views and subscribers, on this website. For instance, if I click on this service right now. Even though this is just one of many instances of a YouTube thumbnail, in my opinion, the design right here on PicMaker is much better and more professional than what is being offered on PeoplePerHour.com. Since the majority of people aren't even aware that PicMaker exists, you can make a lot of money. Due to the rapid advancement of technology, it is now feasible to take advantage of opportunities like this without paying anything and making money for yourself. As you can see above, YouTube charges $15 for each individual image, but I want to show you something far more exciting. On PeoplePerHour.com, for instance, you might sell 2 photographs for $30, 3 images for $45, and so on to make hundreds of dollars. Your attention is now directed to SEOclerks.com, a bogus website where you can potentially make even more money by utilizing all of these YouTube photos. They resemble PeoplePerHour.com quite a deal, although there is much less public awareness of them and competition. There are various services available for which people demand payments of $15, $20, $30, or even hundreds of dollars. Folks from all around the world are generating money repeatedly for free using this exact approach, just like all of these people. On all of these websites, real money is being made by people from all over the world. So hop in and get started. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.